Dear viewers, greetings of the day. I welcome you in the new video session on education reform. As you know, we regularly launch videos on following: 1. Solar clock application in decision making on day-to-day problems. 2. Use of Shagun Soft apps to boost monthly income of our followers through work from home options. 3. Arrange video making contest to motivate inherent talents of our followers. Through our channel's viewership, we understand that you eagerly look forward to new videos on education reform. Therefore, we request you to subscribe the channel immediately so that you get new videos timely. Our phone number 9755039605. WhatsApp number 9340270892 and email ssgraphicdod@gmail.com. Through education reform videos, we bring awareness among educationists so that new job avenues may be opened. Research scholars should come forward to explore new areas of applications of all Shagun Soft apps to serve the society in best possible way. Today's activity of our franchise center is to organize video making contest among the participants. We continue the task of extending the story of play, the refund. Dear participants, you are requested to prepare videos to complete the storyline of the play with your own thoughts and send them to us. It is necessary for us to give you new screen visuals to continue the scripts of the play. In episode 1 you have seen, group of jobless ex-students after 15 years went to Seth Dharam Das Engineering College to meet the principal. The group leader asked the principal to refund the tuition fee which they paid in 4 years to complete the degree course. Students made allegations to the principal that the education given from your institution is worthless because we could not get employment as yet. Therefore, entire fee with interest must be refunded to us. In episode 2, principal called staff meeting to discuss the issue raised by ex-engineering students and their group leader Mr. Vijay. Staff members told the principal that students' demand is ridiculous. They assured the principal that all of them will face the students and the group leader and try to convince them that their demand is illogical. So, give next date to Mr. Vijay to appear before the staff to discuss the matter. Before entering in the meeting hall to meet the principal and the staff, the unemployed engineering students group assembled in the college lobby for demonstration. They shouted with display boards in their hands, "Refund our fee, we want justice, we want jobs, else close down college." Listening the noise, regular students came out of the classes and joined the strike-making group. After half an hour protest in the lobby, Mr. Vijay with his friends enter in the meeting hall. Mr. Vijay conducted the meeting with the staff members. He shared his experiences of interviews he had in past 15 years. Thus, they narrated the story of their failure in interviews. To justify their demand, Mr. Vijay said if any staff member could answer the questions asked to us in different interviews, we will call off the strike. Otherwise the management will have to fulfill our demands. Mr. Vijay and his friends continued sharing their experiences. They said, "Sirs, here is first question asked by the chairman of the selection board to us. Do you know in 1967 to 68 all India engineering students' massive strike took place for want of employment? To call off the strike, government decided to open new schools, colleges, medical colleges etc. to employ the people. Please comment upon government decision." As we could not give satisfactory answer, we were rejected. Now we pass the same question to you all and request you to make the comments upon government decision. Staff members, joint response, Mr. Vijay, It was government decision and who are we to comment upon it? Mr. Vijay said your answer is not satisfactory. Let me repeat the words of the chairman, so that we will have no hesitation in passing the same remarks to you. The chairman called us Narad products. Do you understand why the chairman, sir, called us Narad product, while rejecting our candidature for the post? Dear participants, now you have to further extend the story of the play, The Refund. In next episode, Mr. Vijay will make it clear why he has called all the staff members as Narad products. We motivate school students and teachers to make new video on education reform. GMAT Foundation is the first training center in the country where 10th pass students are trained to make their career in short term, 3 months. The candidates are given ITI certificate. Various ITI trades are 1. Math lab classes for students of any school. 2. Math lab tutor, land surveyor, land valuer, DO mechanics, GMAT soft app user, education reform video making, CAD support soft app user, setting cricket academy, product market survey etc. All above training program are part-time, therefore school students after passing 10th class may join and get certificates in 5 to 6 trades while completing 12th class. The trained students can get employment in any engineering organizations after passing 10th class. Dear viewers, through education reform videos you come to know new avenues to boost monthly income through work from home culture. You appreciate the videos because they are meant to improve the education standard and make student intelligent, innovative and inventive. The new knowledge is important for common people, therefore forward the video to your friends and relatives to bring awareness of new knowledge among them. Thank you.